And we have another dive, everybody, for NIO. Look at that. We have a nice jump, almost 7%. Guess what? We close in Friday 5% down. So what we should do right now? Should we buy and load up on this next step, or we wait? We have just two options, guys. Trading is not complicated if you know exactly what you gonna do if something happen. The same in your life. If you crash your car or whatever, if you lost your job, if you know exactly what you do after, you will not be stressed and paranoid because you have a plan. The same with trading. It's not complicated, guys, if we know exactly what we should do. So in this video, guys, we don't want to talk about hypothetical, fundamental, kind of wishful thinking news. No, 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 no. Here we talk about the fact and act accordingly. It's really simple. We call the hunter wave trading in our hunter channel. So if you're watching our video, you're pretty lucky, or YouTube algorithm like you so much, because we're gonna talk about where the reversal, where the market maker will buy, and where the short seller will short again. So either we short with them or we buy with the other market maker to ride the wave. We don't act against the wave. Just think about it. If you want to surf the wave in hurricane, either you just sit still in the beach during the tsunami wave, 99% you're gonna be crushed and dead. The best way is to surf it, or just don't surf. Don't be near the beach. It means don't take the trade. Just look from afar, from the mountain, if you're afraid. However, if you're a professional surfer, you just surf the wave. Whatever, tsunami, there is hurricane, you're gonna surf the wave because you have the confidence of your skill and you just surf the wave. You don't act against it. Just think about it. It's physics, it's math, it's kind of simple, man. But here, or in our situation, in our life, in our like in situation right now with trading for new traders, they don't think like this. They always act against the wave, and then they say, why I'm in hospital, why I'm losing money, because you did this wrong. Okay, so in today's video we have to discuss how we do something right with this situation with NIO. Drop it again 5%, and I think many of you are paranoid if you already bought the support or the bottom around the $3.70. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss NIO price action for the next week. Hit the like button and the way in, because we always do live streaming each day, 30 minutes before the market open, daily update 2 hours before the market close, and of course 2 hours to hunt for the market early on our Discord and PTR. The link in the comment section below if you want to join early trade, live streaming, watch list. Of course, live or alert after we finish our live streaming each day. So hit the like button and let's dive deeper to discuss NIO. So guys, what we should do right now for NIO, because the price dropped down again 5%. Now, how we know that NIO will reverse? First, we have bad earning that make the price drop. After that, we have a bit of reversal, but the earning wasn't that good. That's why the short seller added around the $6.25. The short seller are really smart, guys. They don't add their position until they have a confirmation for a bad news. So here they add their position. Again, they added their position before or after the good earning that we have in December, around almost the $10. And this was a smart idea because they make more money. Here they made 34%, and now after they add 61%, say they double their money by adding their position. You see, this is counterintuitive because the traders or beginner traders, they always take profit really early and take their loss really late. What I mean, if the price drop on them, because if you bought back here and the price drop on you, most of traders, they average down or they don't do nothing even, and watch their portfolio going down and down and down because they can't take the loss. Short sellers do the opposite. If the price go up on them around this $9.50, they're gonna close their position really early. That's why we're gonna have the squeeze. Every short seller will cover, you know. But here they don't cover because it was easy trade. They have confirmation for the news, and then price go down. So now what we should do, because most of you never short any stock, and you don't know how to short the stock. So if you don't know how to short the stock, you don't have to do anything. You just buy the dip, the right support where the market maker will buy. So you don't have to short, you just buy the dip. So here in this situation, the dip is still over the $3.70, even though we dropped 5% down. Now we're going to confirm that by the next week. If we have another gap up around the 4, will be really good. This means the support or the buyer is still over the $3.71. So here we should hold, then go toward the 4.79. This will be the best case scenario for NIO in coming days, guys, to test the $4.79, because this is where the last short opened, or huge position opened again for NIO. So now we have to hold the $3.70, break the orange line, the $4.79, to go toward the $6.25. And this will give us at least 60% jump if we went until the 6.15. However, if we want to go at least around the resistance level from this price that we closed at on Friday, we have to do 25%. Is really normal for NIO. We could actually do that in just one day. We just need a catalyst. We just need a push of the news, because as everybody knows, stocks react or breathe volume, breathe news, need those kind of reaction to get volatility. So now we're missing the volatility because, as we said before, EV market going down, all of them. The biggest one is Tesla. That's why NIO dropping down. Even if we have a good news, it will be not good enough. We need to have huge news. That's why pharmaceutical company and stock that have major news like FDA approval or new drugs always jumping. Look at this MNDR, man, 33% and still jumping, even though the market was a bit red. AGBA 21%. We have many stock that jumping even though the market is red, because they have major news. So now if you want to like go against the current, which is the current is red, if we want to go green, we have to have major news, acquisition, if the approval, something like this. For NIO, we need to have good news about suppress in car production or whatever, in order to have a jump up and go against the current. In the current situation is just in technical, without even looking for the news, if we held here and we broke the orange line, this will be perfect reaction that something is cooking behind the scene. Otherwise, I'm just waiting, guys. If we broke the 3.70 by the next week, I will just wait. I'm not gonna do anything until we go around this box, the 240 and the $2.11. Again, this is not a financial advice. Always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line, of course. Again, guys, let me know in the comment section below which price that we're gonna go to for NIO in coming days, or for this year at least. $2.11 or $10 plus. Let me know in the comment section below. See you back tomorrow on our live streaming, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube, and before that, live streaming early one on Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.